In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset a Hisense Fire TV 7 series. You'll need this if you're planning to sell your TV, or if you just want to wipe everything and start fresh. First, grab your remote and press the home button. Make sure you're on the home screen. Now move over to the right until you see the settings gear icon. Select it. From the settings menu, scroll down and choose device and software. Next, scroll down again and select reset to factory defaults. This option will erase all your personal data, sign-in accounts, and downloaded apps. Basically, your TV will return to the state it was in when you first bought it. Once you select reset, a confirmation screen will appear. It'll let you know that your preferences and sign-in information will be lost. That's normal. Go ahead and confirm reset. Your TV will restart. The reset process takes about 1 to 2 minutes. You'll see it power back on, and once it does, everything is cleared out, just like brand new. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Hisense Fire TV. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick TV fixes, and drop a comment below if you ran into any issues.